Yeah, the music is good, fam. So if you want to stay long in the industry, make sure that your music is always unique. The music is different from other artists' music. Remember also, it takes people time for them to accept your sound. If you're unique in a way, it's gonna take some time for everyone to go with the uniqueness that you have. Because remember, every artist in the game, they made it by being unique, and also music keeps evolving over the years. So as it evolves, different artists come in the game and they're sounding different. They make a whole new genre out of that sound.
Hallelujah, gospel your music gaat vorentoe man. Dat maakt mijn hart weer goed om te kan zien. Zij release jouw muziek man. Mag ze net verder wachten bereiken je muziek bedrijf en waar ze in beweeg. En als je succes zal het in je carrière. Ja, alles wat mooi is, my zien man. Nee, die Here is saam met jou.